Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Stephanie. Today I'm doing an unboxing of my order from Enailcouture. I waited approximately 2 months and 16 days. It just got in today, so you're seeing me open it. I have not opened it at all yet. Sorry for the bad quality of the video. Like I said, I'm still learning, and also my lamp broke that I use for my nail table, so I have to order another one. But anyways, I'm just using the flash on my camera. So I ordered 2 tip boxes, which I only got one, so I do have to email them about that. But I ordered 2 tip boxes, both press-on gels, the clear and the pink, double XL coffin tips and double XL stiletto tips, as well as base gel. I really wanted to try the pink press-on gel, which is really why I ordered all this stuff. And also the double XL tips were because of my brother's girlfriend, who said she likes long nails like that, because I don't plan on wearing it. So yeah, right here, I noticed it was broken right there, and it wasn't because of how I opened it. And then right there where I'm pointing, you can see it's kind of like dented in, almost like something was pushed against it for a really long time, and that's how it got. But like, I don't know if I feel comfortable putting my tips in this box, just because I'm afraid, they might fall out. But I do flip it over right here and like shake it to see if the lid would come off, and it didn't, but still, I'm still a bit cautious about that. And you can see like a little bit of the pink that broke off by where it opens inside the box. I did not do that. You see where I cut, and then you see where the pieces are at the other end. I'm an idiot. I should have used scissors or something, which you'll see me use scissors at the very last one, which is the base gel. So I'm like struggling right here to open this stuff up. They really like wrap it tight, like tight, which is good, because you don't want anything to happen to it. And these are so pretty. I am gonna have to hide these because my son's gonna see that they're colorful and they're pointy, and he's gonna think they're toys. So I did kind of rush through making this video because my son was awake when I made it, and he was in the living room playing. So yeah, this is the press-on gel. Sorry, the color kind of changed, but this is the clear, and this one is the pink, which is really the one that I wanted to try. It's kind of thick. It's got like a good like a consistency, is that the right word? I don't know, but I like it. It looks cool, and I can't wait to try it. And so the next one I open is the base gel, which I finally decided, let me go get scissors after struggling with the first 2 like an idiot. This is my first order ever from Enailcouture. Like, I've been wanting to order it from the past, like before this pandemic even started, like last year. I just never went through with it. I don't know. I'm stupid. I don't know. But so I ordered, and I waited this long, and which isn't bad, I guess, because I waited longer from like packages from Model 1s and like these other companies. So yeah. And all right. So sorry. These are the double XL stiletto tips. They're cute. It's just, I would not wear, I'm not down. I would never wear this length. I can't. And also I have a 3-year-old who's, I mentioned before, is autistic. So, and he has ADHD. So like, I don't want to poke my baby, and I don't want to break my nails. So these are a no from me. Like, I won't even wear long nails. But I mean, I would like to try to wear long nails, but that's gonna be in the future when my child is not 3 years old. So yeah. Anyways, I really wanted to try the press-on gel, the pink one. So yeah, I really wanted to try the press-on gel, the pink one. But right here I'm opening the double XL coffin tips, and you'll see that they're frosted looking, and when I opened it I was like, what the hell? And before I did my voiceover for this, I'm on this Facebook group and I posted about it, and I was like, does anybody know why they're frosted? Like, I'm confused, and somebody told me they're pre-etched, and by 2021 he plans to have all the tips pre-etched, which I think is pretty cool because it saves some time. Etching, like, I don't care for it, but it has to be done. So yeah, I think it's cool, but at first I was really confused. So just an FYI for everybody. Also, I want to apologize if you see the marker on my hands. I was trying to teach my son how to trace his hand, and I was doing it with my hand, and I did wash my hands. Don't think I didn't. I washed them, but I gotta keep washing them off. It's off now, but I washed my hands like twice before that video. Anyway, so yeah, I was just doing the bending test here with the two tips I bent first were the apres tips, the sculpted coffin long and the sculpted square long. And obviously they're not going to bend that much because they're sculpted. Whereas the double XL tips that I ordered are not sculpted, because after I placed my order is when he released the sculpted tips. So but like I said in my last video, you can add builder gel on top of your nail if you want that extra strength to make sure that they do not bend if you are afraid of them bending. And that's just what I like to do in general. Also, I really need to like invest in that wallpaper that you can just put on a table or something, because it really throws off the entire thing. I thought you could see the tips when I just laid them on the table while it was black, and that's not the case. I had to use a piece of paper. But yeah, so this is everything that I got. Obviously, they missed one thing from my order, which, I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but I did pay money for it, and you know, I'm a single mom, so I do want my tip box because I know I'm not going to get a refund. So yeah, this is everything, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, hope to see you guys in the next one, and thank you guys again. And like, comment, subscribe, share, let's be friends. Follow me on Instagram, Flutter Girl Nails. And yeah, so thank you guys. Bye.